Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, and I am up to program number 54, Reciprocals. I'm going to read this very, very brief program description, get into Classic 99, a TI-99 4A emulator, get into TI Basic, type in the actual very short program, run it, and see what we can learn from it and see what we can make it do. Program number 54, Reciprocals. Key in any number. The computer will display its reciprocal. The actual conversion is done here at line 30. Okay, very short program. Let's get into TI Basic and start typing, as they say. 10, call clear. 20, print number to be converted. 30, input to its reciprocal. I think we had a question mark there, right? Yep, a space. And we are going to call that N for number. Not very creative there, and that's okay. 30, R equals 1 divided by N. Oh, I'm sorry, that was 25. 25. Made a typo in a short program already. To its reciprocal. And 30, R equals 1 divided by N. Okay, let's clear the screen. Get rid of the fluff here. That looks better. 35, print. It's messing me up that this author chooses not to go by increments of 10 all the time. 40, print. Reciprocal of space, end quote, semicolon, N, semicolon, beginning quote, space is space, end quote, semicolon, R. 45, print, 50, print, and 55 go to 20. Okay. Then we'll just list out the program. I think it looks just fine now. Let's give it a run. Number to be converted to its reciprocal. Okay, let's do something easy like 3. So we should get 1/3, which is 0.33333 repeating. Looks pretty good. Let's get a screenshot of that. Okay, number to be converted to its reciprocal. Okay, let's do it the other way around. What if we have, I don't know, 0.25, which is a quarter, and a reciprocal of a quarter should just be 4. Reciprocal of 0.25 is 4. Yes, that works pretty well. Okay, let's do something like, you want to participate here, my love? Susan?
Huh?
Do you want to participate?
Sure.
Give me a number. We're going to find its reciprocal.
How big?
Doesn't matter.
371.
1 over 371 is 0.002695478. Now give me a decimal.
7.2.
Oh, less than 1.
Oh, 0. Or okay, so what? 0.35.
0.35. What's the reciprocal of 0.35? 2.857142857. Now let's do one where that's a decimal, but one that turns into an easy fraction.
Oh, like 0.25.
I just did that one.
Oh, then 0.75.
0.75. Okay. 1.333333 is the reciprocal.
Okay.
There you go. Don't say I never did anything for you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, that's all this program does. Takes a number and puts 1 over that number and spits out the decimal equivalent of it. So that is Reciprocals, which is program number 54 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Better living with the TI-99. If you are watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, along with retro gaming, retro programming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content of topics of interest to me. And if you're watching this live on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel. It's under Cozy Azeroth, little nod to World of Warcraft, for live streams and all the above. And you can participate in the chat there if you happen to catch me live streaming. And if you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And in any case, I appreciate all the likes and follows and enthusiasm and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly. I will be back soon. I think I'm going to take a break right now. So if you're watching this live on Twitch, I will be back soon. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out all the videos in the series yet to come, both that have already happened and ones that I've yet to do in the near future. The next program in the list is Dump the Integer, and I'm not going to look ahead to see what that is until we start streaming it. But in any case, this was program number 54, Reciprocals. I'll put a link to the book in the description in case you're curious about this old programming book I used to like, and if you want to learn a little more about TI-99 for a TI basic programming. And in any case, I will catch you in the next video. We're working our way through all 101 programs in this book, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next video.